Welcome to Littlejohn's Yarns. I'm Isaac.
And I'm Alysha. And if this is your very first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button because today we're going to be doing another crochet gadget review. And today I have a very special guest with me, my son, Lil Mr. Littlejohn. Welcome.
Hi.
So today he's going to help me work with this Alex, what is it called?
Pom Pom maker.
Yeah, it's the Alex Pom Tasseler Pom Pom maker. I was lucky enough to find this at a Goodwill, but you can also find this on Amazon. I'll leave all those links down below. So what it is a
pom pom machine.
It's a pom pom machine. Instead of doing your typical pom poms where you wrap them around your finger or you wrap them around a little device, this is going to do it for you. So we're going to check out this little thing on a video and see how it works. So let's check this out, little buddy.
Okay.
Okay. That's pretty nifty.
Yeah. Guess you can do it two at once.
Oh, so you can mix the colors. All right.
Yeah.
So you ready to give this a try? All right, let's hop into it. So I'm going to tell you everything that comes in this Pom Tasseler kit. So first you'll get the little pom pom pink maker thing. Can you show them that, baby?
Yep.
All right, so, and you also get 3 size templates. They're right here. So you're able to cut out around the edges. And you'll also get a variety of yarn. So what type of yarns do they get?
You get blue yarn, a yellow yarn, a bluish greenish yarn, pink yarn, gray yarn, golden yarn, and string.
Okay, I guess the string is for like to tie off the pom-poms.
Yeah.
You'll also get these little keychains if you want to make keychains. You'll
And
get these
beads.
little, and little beads. So we're not going to be working with any of this yarn right here. I'm going to use some of my own yarn because I think this will just make a tiny thin pom-pom. So let's test this out and take it down to the table. All right, buddy, you ready to make a pom-pom?
Yep.
All right, so I'll get it all set up for you. So what they tell us to do, you have to feed it through this little heart section right here and just take your yarn and wrap it around and loosely tie it onto the pegs. Once it's tied onto the pegs, you have to turn the pegs outward. Can you turn these pegs outward for me?
Yep.
Get the other peg. Perfect. And now that you have that, all you have to do is begin to spin. Can you pump it for me?
Yep.
Keep going, buddy. Let's get this nice and thick. Keep going. Whoa, keep going. I think that'll be good. Let's see, where's our scissors? All right, so I want you to, can you put this under so we can tie off our pom-pom?
Yep.
You're so good at this, you're like a crafty genius. You must get it from your mother.
Yes.
Got it?
Yep.
All right, pull it up. Can you take the needle off for me?
Yep.
Yep. All right, so I'm gonna tie this. Let's see if we can get this nice and tight. You think it's gonna work?
Yep.
Woo! I think I'm gonna keep that in. I think I pulled the string too tight. Let me try again. I won't pull as tight this time, huh?
Yes. Like last time.
Yeah, everything was flying.
Yes.
So could you turn the little things the opposite way for me?
Yep.
Towards the inside. Oh no, where's my one scissors? The little thin ones. Oh, I lost the thin scissors. We'll just have to use these ones.
Yeah.
So I find it easier to cut the yarn while it's still on a post. They tell you to take these off, but I tend to lose the loop. So I'm just going to cut it directly on the machine. All right, after it's cut from the machine, this is kind of what it looks like. It's real loosey-goosey. Would you be able to get me the template, the very big template?
Okay.
All right. Can you open it for me?
Yep.
Was that the biggest one that we used? That same one?
Yep.
All right, let me see this piece. It says to put it on like this. This is so you have like a perfectly circle pom-pom. It's not as easy to clip together. It's kind of hard.
Yeah. Nice looks like a lettuce sandwich.
A lettuce sandwich.
Yeah.
When we make you a lettuce sandwich? You don't. I've seen that sly look. All right, buddy. So the next is up to you. What I need you to do is to cut around the outside, all that excess off. You get it? I want you to be careful. Watch those fingers. That good?
Yep.
Okay, buddy, why don't you open it up to see what this pom-pom looks like?
Okay.
You have to give it like a good shake. Give it a good shake so it's nice and fluffy. All right, so now you got to see how this works. So we're going to show you what it looked like compared to other ones. Can you show me your green one that you made?
Yep.
All right, so, and here's one that I made also. As you can see, the ones made from this machine, they're a little bit loosey, if that makes sense. They're not as full. I guess you can add more, but there's not a lot of tension to the machine. Here's the little pom-pom that I made using the typical pom-pom maker. As you can see, it's much more dense. But if you have any hand problems, this is a great machine. If you're wondering, does this take longer than a typical pom-pom maker? Well, I timed myself doing this. When using this device, it took me exactly 4 minutes and 10 seconds to complete a pom-pom. While using this device, it took us, well, maybe a little longer in this video, but it took me exactly 2 minutes and 5 seconds to make one of these pom-poms. So yes, you can save time doing this. So if you have any type of hand problems, or if you want to make like a rug, ooh, what do you think we can make with these?
We can make like a panda, a rug, or a plushie, or a blanket.
Ooh, you gonna make me a plushie?
Sure.
Oh, you're so sweet. Well, you can make any things with this. So I'm ready to give you my final review on the Pom Pom maker. We're gonna have 2 reviews. We're gonna have a review from my wonderful Mr. Littlejohn and a review from myself. So, buddy, on a scale of 1 to 5 balls of yarn, what do you give this machine?
I think I would give it like a 5.5, maybe like.
Well, we're only doing out of 5 balls of yarn.
Okay, 5.
1 out of 5 balls of yarn.
I'll say 5.
You give it a 5 balls of yarn? All right, I'm ready to give you my craft review on this one. Out of 1 out of 5 balls of yarn, I'm actually going to give this, I'm going to give it 3.5 balls of yarn. Only because they're not as tight as the other ones. And it can be a slight little bit tricky, but it's fun to do. You can do it with your family. I got to do it with you. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me on my channel, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and tell my son, Mr. Littlejohn, how wonderful he did on this video. Thank you so much, buddy. All right, guys, we'll see you all in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.